Hi, I want to show you how to turn on and off NFC on Google Pixel 9a. Firstly, open up your settings and on the top find section Connected Devices. Then tap on Connection Preferences and find NFC in the list. So, if you want to turn it on, then you need to just toggle on the switch like that, so the dot will be in the right position. And with this feature turned on, you will be able to make contactless payments just by holding back part of your phone near reader. Additionally, you can turn on require device unlock for NFC for the best protection. Then you can go in contactless payments and choose your default wallet app. In my case, it is Google Wallet, but you can choose something else. And to turn this feature off, you need to toggle off the switch, so those features will be unavailable. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.